In this video, we're going to walk through all of our equipment and how to use them, from beginner's basics to pro level gear, so you can build your own perfect soap making toolkit. Before you start making soap, you will need a good pair of safety goggles. Soap making often involves lye and hot oils, and even the smallest splash can cause irritation or injury. These goggles have splash-resistant seals, adjustable straps, and a comfortable fit. And yes, you can wear them over glasses. Accurate measuring is the foundation for a successful soap making. That's why you'll want a variety of jugs in different sizes. Heat-resistant jugs with clear markings make mixing and pouring a breeze, from tiny silicone cups to large 2-litre jugs for batch making. Utensils might seem simple, but they make a difference. A heat-resistant silicone spatula helps you scrape every last bit of your mixture, while a whisk is perfect for gently blending or adding air into your recipes. Whether you're working with a melt and pour bases or heating butters and oils, a melter makes your workflow faster and efficient. From a compact 1.7 litre melters to 27 litre heavy duty versions, there's a size for every soap maker. A thermometer might seem small, but it's a vital part of getting the perfect results. Oils and lye need to be just at the right temperature to reach trace, and a thermometer helps prevent overheating and cracking. Choose from digital or classic glass depending on your style. Your soap molds are what gives your soap bars their shape to achieve a professional look. High quality molds make it easy to release soap without damage and help keep your bars consistent. Silicone molds are great for fun, detailed designs, while loaf molds are perfect for larger batches and consistent shapes. At the Soap Kitchen, you'll even find seasonal molds to add creativity to your collection. Once your soap is set, you'll need a cutter. A good soap cutter ensures your bars look neat and professional. You can choose a crinkle cutter for textured edges or go with an adjustable wooden cutter for precise, uniform sizes. And don't forget beveling tools to trim and smooth your bars for that polished finish. And there you have it, your complete soap making toolkit. With the right equipment, you'll be crafting soaps that look beautiful, feel luxurious, and are ready to enjoy or sell. If you want to check out any of the tools I've mentioned today, head over to the Soap Kitchen. I'll leave a link in the description below. Subscribe for more soap making videos.